I could use a little bit of help to lighten up this room. A girl has dragged me down, and so I ran to my hometown. Where did I go and miss the turn? Someday she's got to give and not leave me alone, waiting by the phone. And so I'll try and say goodbye, 'cause I'll become longer this time. I know you won't stop me. Oh God, why won't you stop me? 'Cause I've been hanging on to your every word. Explain it, why I'm jumping to the chorus of the saddest song to sing it, and you're singing it back. Please, please, please give a damn and stand next to me. I care if I breathe. I've been in hell without you now. I believe in everything you once told me to be. How I'm not ready for you yet, but one day you'll let me in. But if I am what you want, then why'd you let me go? You could have made up such a sweet excuse, or gave me so much attitude. I know so well it's never been like me to bite off my own tongue, but since sincerity won't do the trick, I guess I'll fucking quit. 'Cause I've been hanging on to your every word. Explain it, why I'm jumping to the chorus of the saddest song to sing it, and you're singing it back. Please, please, please give a damn and stand next to me. I care if I breathe. Explain it, why I'm jumping to the chorus of the saddest songs to sing it.